not surrendered, will not surrender, and will never surrender. And as long as one Tibetan, one single Tibetan remains on this planet, the Tibetan nation and the Tibetan movement will continue. And with that, I will pray for the Lord. I pray for the long life of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, and to commit to our promise to bring him back to the Potala Palace and reunite him with our siblings in a free and independent Tibet. Perangze! Perangze Galo! Perangze! Perangze Galo! Perangze! Perangze Galo!